Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the best Caesar salad. First, let's craft the dressing. Whisk 1 egg yolk with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Gradually drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, whisking constantly until it's thick and creamy. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan, and a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Next, let's prepare our croutons and lettuce. Cut day-old bread into 1-inch cubes. Toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until golden and crunchy. While they cool, wash and thoroughly dry your crisp romaine lettuce. This ensures the dressing adheres perfectly to every leaf, preventing a watery salad. Now it's time to assemble our delicious Caesar salad. Tear or chop your clean, dry romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, add the lettuce and a generous amount of your freshly made Caesar dressing. Gently toss everything together, ensuring each leaf is lightly coated. You want enough dressing to flavor, but not so much that it overwhelms. Finally, add your warm, crispy homemade croutons and a bit more grated Parmesan cheese. To finish, garnish your beautiful Caesar salad with extra Parmesan shavings and a sprinkle of freshly cracked black pepper. This adds a final touch of elegance and flavor. Serve your salad immediately to enjoy the perfect balance of crisp lettuce, crunchy croutons, and creamy, tangy dressing. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.